Design Feed is a great way of tagging locations and adding images, video, and notes to your drawing. But what about when you need to embed the photo itself in the drawing space, not just a tag? I'm going to go down here to the Annotate tool icon, and I'm going to click on Insert Image. From here, I can either take a photo using the tablet camera, or I can choose an existing photo from the gallery. This means I can take a picture on site of the back of a house, and I'm going to use an existing one from here, but I assure you, taking one in the field is just as easy. And now I can locate and scale the photo. Now I can either trace the image using tools like lines and rectangles, or I can use the marker tool and trace it freehand. Want to be a little bit more precise than just scaling the image to nothing? I'm going to sketch a rectangle using the Apple Pencil, and I'm going to specify it as 8 foot by 8 foot, the approximate size of my garage door. Now, using the Select tool, I can move and scale my image so that it matches the correct size. I've just scaled the photo using a known measurement. Now I can take measurements of the image itself. That's right, I can get estimated dimensions from an image I took in the field. Can you imagine the possibilities of this in your work?